Dear viewers, let us know the programming of Panasonic's KX-TES824 telephone exchange. Video programming sequence. Reset exchange. Date and time setting, operator extension assignment, CO line, connection, CO line, dialing mode, CO line, access 9 or 0, CO line, outgoing and incoming calls. Please subscribe the channel and like the video, thanks. Sometimes Exchange has a password that prevents you from programming. So you have to reset the Exchange. Reset method. $220-volt AC power. On-off switch. Plug in the power cable and turn on the switch. The exchange is turned on. Open the exchange. Here is the reset function. Number 1 is a touch switch, number 2 is LED, and number 3 is a 2-position switch. Position 1 is normal, position 2 is clear. The switch is in normal position. Set it to clear sight and widen the touch tap switch by pressing the LED blinking 3 or 4 times, then turn the switch to normal position. Exchange reset is turned on to the default setting. Now this telephone will be set. Panasonic KX-TES824 will be programmed from this telephone. First of all, we'll do date and time setting. Plug this telephone into jack 01. The default date and time will appear on the display. Now we will go to programming mode. First press the program button without picking up the handset. Programming password, *#1 2 3 4. Date and time setting. Code 000. The year. Month. Date. Days. Hours. Minutes. AM PM. Save setting. Press the store button. Press the hold button to exit programming. Operator extension assignment. You can make any number the operator extension. For example, 01 will make 101 the operator extension. PGM code is 008. SP phone. 01. Save setting. Press the store button. 101 is now an operator extension. Press the hold button to exit programming. CO line connection. This exchange has a capacity of 8 CO lines. They are in connect position. If a hardware fault occurs in any CO line, it must be unconnected. PGM code is 400. Press the SP phone button 2 times. CO line 1 will be displayed. Press the mute button to connect and press again to disconnect. Pressing the SP phone button brings up the next CO line. Save setting. Press the store button. Press the hold button to exit programming. CO line dialing mode setting. PMG code 401. Press mute button. Change mode. Set all CO lines to DTMF mode. Save setting. Press the store button. Forward. CO line. Save setting. Press the store button. Forward. CO line. Save setting. Press the store button. Press the hold button to exit programming. CO line outgoing and incoming calls programming. First, you introduce you to the telephone keys. Right arrow key. Next extensions. Lift arrow key. Preview extensions. SP phone key. Next CO line. Redial key. Preview CO line. Mute key. Enable disable. Store key save setting. Hold key. Exit programming. CO line outgoing and incoming calls. Remember, this setting is for daytime. This day will continue to run the same day. If you want day lunch night setting will be told in the next video. PGM code 405. Press SP phone 2 times. I give CO1's access to some extensions, and some of those who already have access to eliminate some of them. Extension 01 setting. Mute key. Enable. Store key save setting. Extension 01. CO line did not have access. Now I gave. Extension 04 setting. Mute key. Disable. Store key save setting. Extension 04 had access to CO1. I disabled it. The same way up to programming the next extensions. Now I press the redial key and go to the settings of CO2. Extension 01 is not the access of CO line 2. Now I give access. Mute key. Enable. Store key save setting. Extension 03 is the access of CO line 2. Now I terminate the access. Mute key. Disable. Store key save setting. Mute key. Enable. Store key save setting. Extension 05 has also given the access of CO line 2, programming the remaining extensions in the same way. Press hold key and exit the program. CO line incoming calls programming. PGM code 408. Press SP phone 2 times. First, let's check which extension is selected for incoming calls to CO lines. Lift and right arrow key come to the required extensions. Extension 02 is for CO1 incoming calls. Lift and right arrow key come to the required extensions. Now the extension 01 makes the CO1 receiving extension. Mute key. Enable. Door key. Save setting. Right arrow key. Next extensions. Mute key. Disable. Door key. Save setting. Next CO line. For incoming calls from CO line 2, extension 01 will also be preferred. Mute key. Enable. Door key. Save setting. Extensions disable 02's incoming calls. Mute key. Disable. Door key. Save setting. CO line out of all extensions outgoing or incoming calls to make the enabled or disabled together. Use the right arrow and left arrow keys to move to extension 01. 01 display, press left arrow key. Mute key. Disable. Door key. Save setting. See all disabled. Right now everyone enables. 01 display, press left arrow key. Mute key. Enable. Door key. Save setting. Check all are enabled. Hold key. Exit programming. Dear viewers, I have tried to make a video with English translation. If the video is good or not, please comment. Thank you for watching the video.